think when I started doing my own garden, I was in too much of a rush and I wanted to do it all at once because I was very excited, and obviously there's nothing wrong with that. But the problem was I went crazy and I bought everything and planted everything, and it's all matured at the same time. So I'm kind of having to take a lot of things out and start over again. And the lesson I've learned from the whole experience is that gardening should be kind of gradual, having fun, just editing, adding, taking out. And this time around, I'm just going to plant a whole series of plants each season and keep adding so that my garden doesn't actually come to a full stop all at once and everything matures at once and I'm kind of back at square one. If I have a more gradual process going on, I think I'll enjoy it more and it'll be a lot more pleasing.